Negotiations, which began in 2015, officially came to a close as the Ministry of Health, the Public Hospitals Authority, and the Doctors Union executed two new 5-year industrial contracts worth more than $17 million yesterday. Labor Minister the Honorable Shane Gibson called the signings historic, adding that there was a compromise on both sides. He says government was able to increase salaries slightly, provide lump sum payments, and increase some other allowances as well. Gibson thanked physicians for their understanding during the process, adding that doctors' salaries are relatively low.
I'm embarrassed to tell you what it is, because most Bahamians wouldn't believe it. But despite that, they press. They continue to do their work, saving lives, treating sick persons, going above and beyond the call of duty. And that is why we thought it was important that in addition to doing the little that we did in concluding these negotiations, that we would also have a salary review, which would really help us to determine and put them on the correct career path and bring them closer to earning the kind of salaries and compensation that they should be earning at this time.
The two agreements will directly impact 462 doctors within the public health care system. Health Minister Dr. Perry Gomez says the agreements are fair considering the economic climate in the country, while acting president of the Doctors Union, Dr. Makumba Miller, says the union is grateful to have crossed this bridge.
This agreement is a clear indication of my government's commitment to the ongoing partnership with the labor movement in general and physicians in particular, with respect to the further development of our country and the public healthcare system.
For decades, junior physicians in the public health system have been marginalized and disenfranchised within this country. This industrial agreement is a significant step towards rectifying some of these injustices. Inadequate facilities, insufficient staff, and under sometimes hazardous work conditions. The junior physicians labor daily to ensure the health of our nation.